All right, well, we're just starting out. Dwayne showed up. And the first find is a surface marble. That's kind of a cool one. Never seen one like that before. It's got some kind of funky, defective cat eye. Oh well, carry on and see what else we can get. All right, folks, well, we've just been plugging around and haven't done anything serious, but we started plugging around here along this trail. There's Dwayne. He might leave before I do because he's got some things to do, but I got two signals. First I got this one, and then as I clean the leaves back I got another one. So I dug this one first, and it's a KG6 penny. I already wiped it. So then I popped the second one, and look, she's a silver. Let's see who it is together. Looks like it's going to be a KG6. Let me get back to you. It's actually snowing if you can't see it. Okay, there they are. KG6 dime and a KG6 penny. Looks like a 46. Sweet. The snow's coming down. Everything's getting wet. The phone's getting wet. All right, well, we're on the board with the silver and the marble and the penny. All right, we're going to carry on and see you on the next, folks. All right, folks. So it turned out there was another coin in that spill, a 1939 KG6 nickel. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, well, that's a little 3-coin spill. We're going to carry on and catch you on the next. 39 George nickel. Sweet. All right, well, I got a 24 signal close to those coins, which were right here where my foot is. So I dug it, and it turned out to be a piece of a toy cap gun. All right, well, a few little finds. Let's carry on in the snow. Unbelievable. Been so mild, and now we're getting snow. Chilly, snowy day out in the woods. Wow, look at how it's changed. It's like a blizzard out here again. Dwayne had to cut out, but I'm going to go for a little bit longer. Wow, look at this. Here it is. It's been so nice. That's what, the first day of spring tonight, and we get snow, but I hope I'm not interfering with the mic. We got a screaming signal right here. So I'm hoping that's a shallow quarter. You know, this was an old way down right here, right beside a tree. You get the pinpointer out and the digger. Will this be silver number 2? Dwayne just left. Could have witnessed it. Oh, hit the camera. It's not big. It's not big. Sounds like a quarter. Come on, be a nice old silver quarter. I don't want to get my knee wet in the snow. Uh-oh. Getting bigger. Wow, I don't know what that is. It ain't a silver quarter though. It ain't a silver quarter. Oh, it's a cap gun. It's another gun. Missing part of the handle. Nice looking one. All right, we're gonna carry on and see what else we got. That was a screaming 32. Wow. Well, the snow's coming down. I'm sure I'm a mess. Might look like a snowy man. Got the sniffles and the cold. Probably got snow all over me. But we do have something cool in the ground. That roughed up. I don't know if I did it or if it was like that, but I think it was like that because it doesn't look clean. That's an old ride. Look at that bad boy. However, the one fender came off. I guess it goes like this. Yeah, that fender came off from the wheel there, and we got the grill. We got the grill. There we go. There she is. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Look at that. What a beauty. Okay, out sniping around with the 6-inch Equinox and the 6-inch. And man, that was down there deep. That was deep. Oh, about that deep. Almost full pinpointer depth. So don't let them tell you that the 6-inch doesn't get deep enough. What did I get? Look at this. I got me a tiny, tiny little button. Well, it's too hard to tell if it has anything on the front right now. Same with the back. That's an old button though. The shank is busted. Tiny little button. Tiny, tiny. We'll give a better look home in the wrap. See if we can't get something off of it. See you then. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? Everything's white again. Everything's white again. It's like we're in the middle of winter and it's the first day of spring today. Well, after 11 p.m. Looks cool though. Looks cool. All right, we're working our way out. See if we get anything else. I shot the wrap up, but I forgot to do the button. The little tiny button. There's nothing on the front. Anything that was there is long gone now. On the back, I believe you can, I don't know if you'll make it out on the camera, but there was a spot where you could see that it said guilt, I think, which is a common on these buttons. All right, cool. Well, this will be just before the wrap, so let's get into the wrap. Hey, folks. Just going to do a little wrap up from today's. Started out dry, but became extremely snowy. Man, I had to call it quits. My feet were getting wet. I really wasn't prepared for snow. But we got a few cool finds. We got a couple of beat up cap guns. This is just I didn't film it, a great big hunk of brass. That's going to go good into the brass pile. It's got some good weight. We got a buckle that I didn't film. The snow was just coming down too heavy and I didn't want to get the camera all wet. We got a couple of 70s pennies, I'm going to guess. We got a clad quarter. We got a cool cat eye. This one's kind of weird. It's a little bit off. Cool though. We got this truck that looked like it had a front end collision and buckled in the front. Still kind of cool though. These old 40s toys trucks are awesome to get. Dog tag. Didn't film it. Can't. There's no year on it, but it's definitely an older one. We got this cool rough shape 1930s Dinky's toy ambulance. The grill came off, but I found the grill in the fender. She's pretty cool. There's the grill in the fender. However, I am missing one back fender. I didn't see it there. Didn't even realize it at the time with all the snow. That's a cool find though from the 30s. See if I can't get that back on, and I may even go back one day looking for that fender. There's got to be some way to reattach those. They were probably just glued on or something. I don't know. And did I do the 39 and the 46? The 39 nickel? KG6. And the 46 silver dime 80%er. KG6. Awesome. All right, well, it was a good little hunt until the snow came. Hopefully, it doesn't stay on the ground too long, and we can get back at her. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next adventure.